That's Winds Firedance Oil Lamp Stove. Inspired by antique irons and stoves from a century ago in Europe and America, which not only served for illumination but also featured iron heating for irons, tabletop cooking, and small-scale heating, we have created a version more suitable for contemporary use, the Firedance Oil Lamp Stove. While retaining much of the design aesthetics from a century ago, we have incorporated additional features for enhanced convenience. The main body is crafted from durable and easy-to-maintain 18-8 stainless steel, offering robustness for daily use. Brass accents adorn the accessories, adding a touch of refinement to the overall appearance. The practicality and aesthetic appeal of this design allow you to fully enjoy its use in outdoor settings. With the rise of camping-style preferences, this antique-inspired iron stove has gained popularity, and our modern adaptation aims to provide a more enjoyable and convenient experience. Attention! 1. The wick needs to be immersed in fuel for about 10 minutes when first used. 2. It is recommended to use Buddha lamp oil, ghee, and special oil for kerosene lamps as fuel. It is forbidden to use gasoline, alcohol, or lighter gas. Less odor and black smoke. 3. The temperature of the lantern stove will be high during use, and skin contact is prohibited to avoid scalding accidents. 4. If there is black smoke during use, please check whether the fuel is correct, and whether the height of the wick is adjusted correctly. The wick can be extended by about 1 to 2 mm from the wick holder. If the wick is too high, it is easy to cause black smoke. Recommended flame height is no more than 2/5 of the glass window. 5. Slight deformation of metal at high temperatures is a normal physical phenomenon that does not affect aesthetics or functionality. 6. Fuel products combustion will produce carbon deposits is a normal phenomenon, can be cleaned manually. 7. This product is not wind resistant. Please avoid using it in windy conditions. 8. Fuel tank is not sealed, do not dump, please empty the fuel when transportation. 9. In order to ensure safety, please double check whether the wick flame is extinguished when you stop using it. 10. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter from flammable objects and at least 30 centimeters from other surrounding objects when using. 11. Please place it in a location inaccessible to children to prevent the risk of burns and accidents.